opening day at Hyde Hollow Range here in Craigsville, Virginia. And today we do have the Tisas PX-9 carry Raptor. Put that OLight C with the green dot on there. And I have an OLight Baldr S. So last time you guys see me, it was stock, had nothing on it. Put that OLight on there, put that OLight, made it a double OLight combination. RMR direct cut slide. So I just put the RMR on it, no plate, no nothing. The OSight, sorry, came with bolts and everything else. So we're going to take some shots now with the newly adorned accoutrement. Also, for the record, I have here a Sig P226 20-round magazine. And I have the magwell. It fits. Let's see if it shoots. Looks good. It drops out. But anyway, let's go take some shots. I've been thinking of this all day.